goalkeeper Barakat Amare.
The goalkeeper also being alert to his work.
ይሆናል ከጎሉ መቆጠር በኋላ ሁለተኛው ዙር ሁለተኛ ጎሉ ነው ለኢትዮጵያ ቡና።
አሁን ሰይድ ይታወቃል ከዚህ ቦታ በተለይ ደግሞ ዛሬ ንቃቱ ልዩ የሆነ በረከት ላይ ለማስቆጠር አስቸጋሪ ፖዚሽን ይመስላል።
አበበ ጥላሁን
እና የሱን እንቅስቃሴ ወደ ኋላ ሲመለስ በጣም በቅርበት መከታተል ምናልባት የአማኑኤል ስራ ይመስለኛል።
በረከት በጥንቃቄ ኳሱን አቀብሏል። የበረከት ንቃት እጅግ አስፈላጊ ነው በደርቢው ጨዋታ። ከዚህ ቦታ ላይ ተደጋጋሚ ኳሶች ፍጹም ገብረማርያም
በጣም ጥሩ ነው። ዛሬ አንዱ ከግብ ጠባቂው ጥንካሬ ብቻ
They are in the 11th position so far. The fans already coming into rain. There are voices. Here is a good one. Gabriel Mariam.
And the goalkeeper also being alert to his work.
Sibabi. A good through ball again. Fitsum should have touched the ball before the goalkeeper got there. Gabriel Mariam will not get 3 chances out of 3 and not make them and expect to get any more chances in there very early on as the goalkeeper is coming off his line as well. It's a right foot cross. It comes cross to the area, headed directly towards goal by Sibabi. Now the power is what is needed there. The accuracy was there. And Sibabi is probably looking the most likely player to score.
Agile Barakat, who punches it away.
Yeah, he had a chance to come in through the left side. He brings it to Abdullah Fiz Tawfiq. He always has the instinct of spreading it out. That's a better shot coming from behind.
Amare really worked to save that one.
It's wide to Barakat Desta. Can he be able to bring it in? There's still a precision. A good one to Dimojib Kasim. Dropped by Barakat.
Rises on that left flank. There he is slow and then he busts into one big burst of speed to be able to enter that box and bring it across.
Barakat. Can't stop quick counter-attacks when the referee was thinking the team in yellow and black was still thinking that let's try to build from the back. And there is Abubakar Shabir with a good shot. Too much space according to that man.
And you don't put the ball up.
Muna Bekele. Again, back to Ashanafi Alazid. A good shot! Again, well stopped by Barakat. Now they're asking questions. Second time in less than 2 minutes that they struck at Amar. Ahmed, can he wriggle through? Yes, he can. On the wider areas in Dale. Goalkeeper Barakat Amare comes but misses that header.
Yes, where are those defenders? They knew perfectly well that the ball was going to be floated into the over.
Mulken Adisu. A big punt to Fitzum. Can he bring it down? A good shot coming in for Fitzum. And it hits the upright. And
Defies the laws of physics.
Picks the right spot. Sends Daniel Teshome to the shopping center. And picks the other side. Fitzum with a good shot. Again, picked up Amare. Adongo. Again, very good goalkeeping coming in from Barakat Amare.
Rebound. Hits it without creativity, just hits it with a lot of power.
Mamadou Sidibe Barakat Amare ከዚህ በኋላ አልታገስም ነው። ይሄ የማማዱ ሲዲቤ የተላከለት ኳስ በረከት አማረ በጣም ነቅቶ ፍድል ያጡ ግብ ጠባቂዎች የዚህ አይነት አጋጣሚዎችን ይጠቀማሉ።
በጣም ይጠቀማሉ። ማለትም ሁለተኛ ግብ ጠባቂ ሆኖ ሲጠብቆ
ያው እንደምታውቀው ሲሳይ ምክንያቱም ኳሷ አመልጧል። ጎሉ ቢገባ ደግሞ የበለጠ
ሞራል ይወርዳል።
አዎ የመጫወት ኮንሰንትሬሽንን ታጣለህ። ስዩም ተስፋዬ ስዩም ከራሳቸው ሜዳ በደንብ አልተጫወተም። አማኑኤል ዮሐንስ በ1990 መስከረም ወር በተካሄደው የ1989 የኢትዮጵያ ሻምፒዮና ኢትዮጵያ ቡና የዋንጫ ባለቤት ሲሆን አሰግድ በ11 ጎል ኮከብ ግብ አግቢ ሆኖ አጠናቋል። ይሄ ማለት ድሬዳዋ 8 ነጥቦችን ነው ያዘው። ኢትዮጵያ ቡናም እንዲሁ 12ኛ ደረጃ ላይ ነው የሚገኙት ተመሳሳይ 8 ነጥቦችን በግብ ክፍያ 3 እና 1 እዳዎችን ይዘው ነው። በረከት አማረ እዛው ባጭሩ ኳስ ለማስጀመር ሞክሮ ተሳክቶለታል። ነገር ግን በጣም ሶስተኛ ሆኖ የወጣው ኢትዮጵያ ቡና እንዳሳካው የተሳካ የውድድር ዓመት ያሳለፈ ክለብ የለም። በቅድመ ማጣሪያው የሲሸልሱን ቅዱስ ሚካኤልን በአንደኛው ዙር የግብፁን አልአህሊን
አይዱን አላወቁም።
የጨዋታ እቅዳቸው ሊሆን ይችላል። ኢትዮጵያ ቡናም ድሬዳዋም በፓስ ነው የሚጫወቱት። በረከት አማረ በጥድፊያ የሚጫወቱ ቡድኖች አይደሉም። በኢትዮጵያ ፕሪሚየር